A 6000 mAh silicon carbon battery with 80 watts of charging on a folding phone, along with a super impressive Zeiss telephoto camera that takes photos like the Vivo X200 Pro, which is definitely the camera king of all smartphones right now, along with a super slim and lightweight form factor that effectively gives you a folding phone but with the form factor of a regular phone. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the brand new Vivo X Fold5, and I've been using this phone for a couple of days. So is it all good? Should you go ahead and buy it? That's exactly what we are going to be talking about today. So let's not go ahead and waste any time. If you guys end up enjoying this video, make sure you hit on that like button, hit on that subscribe button, and let's break down the Vivo X Fold5. First off, let's talk about the unboxing experience. And guys, the unboxing experience of this phone was really good. The phone itself comes in a pretty big box with a really good design. Inside the box, of course, you get the phone itself, but after the phone, you also get an 80-watt charging adapter, which is included, which when a phone costs this much money is always good to see. So I'm really happy about that. And along with that, Vivo also included a very nice high-quality case in the box that actually has a flexible hinge cover, which can expand when you open the phone into the unfolded state and also retract when you close it, and it looks like a normal case. It looks really good and is definitely a premium case, so that is nice to see. Coming to the phone itself, guys, just take a look at this back panel, see how premium and futuristic it looks. We have a new color here. This goes by the name of titanium gray, and it looks very classy and very premium. It's also ultra slim, as I showed you guys, and ultra light as well, coming in at just 217 grams of weight, which is really good. If we talk about the thickness, this is around 4.3 mm when it is unfolded, and once it is folded, it's still 9.2 mm, which is pretty similar to many normal bar phones. So effectively, you are getting two screens, but you are getting the form factor of a regular phone, which I think we are getting to see more and more in 2025 with folding smartphones, and I am all for it. The build quality, guys, of this folding phone, if you're thinking it's going to be very delicate, well, you don't need to worry about that at all. The Vivo X Fold5 actually comes with a very durable and reliable hinge, which is now a carbon fiber support hinge, which not only reduces the crease inside the inner display, I can't even see the crease most of the times, and even when I put my finger through it, it just feels very smooth and much better than before. Not just that, this new carbon fiber support hinge also increases the durability, and now the Vivo X Fold5 is rated up to 6 lakh folds, which is absolutely mind-blowing. It's also the only fold that comes with up to IP59 plus rating. That means that there is IPX8, IPX9, IPX9 plus for water resistance, so you can actually submerge this phone. And not just that, there is also IP5X rating for dust resistance. So definitely, it feels like the most durable fold out there with so many durability ratings. Along with that, the outer screen now actually has the new 2nd gen armor glass, making it the most durable folding phone out there. Okay, enough about durability. Let's talk about displays, shall we? First up, guys, we have this front screen, which is a 6.53-inch panel. It is LTPO, it's got 120 Hz refresh rate, and it's also 21:9 aspect ratio, which really makes this phone feel like a normal phone even in its folded state, which is awesome. Now, once you open it up, you'll actually get a much bigger 8.03-inch inner screen, which is also LTPO, 120 Hz, and again, it looks really good. Both of these screens, guys, have up to 4500 nits of peak brightness, along with HDR10 Plus support and support for Dolby Vision, which means that whether you're going to use the inner bigger display or the outer cover screen, no matter what you use this display for, watching content, movies, TV shows, all of that jazz is going to be really nice on this phone. Now, guys, after talking about the display, I want to talk about something that Vivo has been one of the first people to do on a foldable, and that is improve battery life. Now, battery life is something that often takes a hit, especially on a foldable, and well, it's understandable because folding phones, well, fold, and that is why there are moving parts. It has to be made slimmer as well, so it's more difficult to put in a bigger battery, but Vivo has definitely done some magic this year, and this is amazing. Now, the X Fold5 actually comes with a 6000 mAh equivalent battery, which is mind-blowing. Now, how has Vivo been able to achieve this battery? Well, let me explain. explain. This phone actually comes with a silicon carbon battery, and it's the second gen semi-solid state battery, which is more flexible and can withstand the folding and the unfolding that we do on a phone. Honestly, this is cutting edge tech for batteries, and it's really cool to see in action on the Vivo X Fold 5. What's better, this phone comes with an 80-watt adapter in the box. It charges at 80 watts, so super fast charging, and it can also charge wirelessly with up to 40 watts of speed, which is again unheard of before in the folding phone segment. If we talk about raw battery life, guys, in my testing, it has been amazing. I have not been able to kill it and move it to zero from a single full charge. So no matter how much you use the outer display or the inner big display, you don't have to worry about battery life. This phone will not give up that easily. Okay, now let's move on to performance. Performance is also really good on the Vivo X Fold 5. Vivo has continued to keep the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which was there in the last X Fold 3 Pro as well. And honestly, the 8 Gen 3 is pretty much capable for everything that you can throw at it, whether it is multitasking or gaming. And even I didn't face any lags or stutters in my usage. Along with that, you also get UFS 4.1 storage, LPDDR5X Ultra RAM up to 16 gigs, which just makes the overall performance of this foldable really top-notch and flagship level. Okay, let's talk about cameras. Honestly, guys, when I found out that this phone will come close to the cameras of the X200 Pro, I was super curious and super excited, and honestly, after testing out the cameras, I am not disappointed at all. The X Fold 5 comes with a triple camera setup at the back. As you can see, we have a 50 megapixel primary, a 50 megapixel ultra wide, and a 50 megapixel Zeiss telephoto lens that can do 3x optical zoom and up to 100x of hyper zoom. And of course, there are also two front cameras, one on the outer display and on the inside folding display, which are both 20 megapixels. Camera samples are on the screen, guys, that you can see, and honestly, they are amazing to look at. And in my opinion, the star of the show is definitely the telephoto lens. The telephoto lens is now a larger sensor of the Sony IMX882, and that combined with the camera app with different modes for portrait like telephoto stage portrait and Zeiss bokeh options makes this phone very close to the X200 Pro. I love the photos coming out of this camera, and I think that is the best camera setup that I have ever seen on a folding phone yet. And of course, because you can also use the rear cameras for a selfie use case because it is a folding phone, definitely these are also the best selfies that I have ever seen come out of a folding phone. You can also do video, by the way, up to 8K 30 FPS and 4K 60 FPS on all three lenses, which is again great to see, and it works just as advertised. Software wise, guys, if we talk about that, the X Fold 5 comes with Android 15 with FunTouch OS out of the box, and you'll get 4 years of Android upgrades and 5 years of security updates, which is good enough for future proofing this foldable. Oh, and another cool thing, there is a really cool shortcut button, which is an additional button that you will see on the left side of the phone. That is great for multitasking on the go, and you can set it up to do a bunch of actions, which is really cool. There are also amazing new features inside FunTouch OS that really help you take advantage of this foldable. One of them is Origin Workbench, and that is really cool. It lets you open up to 5 apps at the same time, completely changes the way you multitask on a foldable, and basically you can have 5 apps open at the same time, switch between them, and it works really well. So I'm a big fan of this feature. Other than that, of course, you get Circle to search as well as Google's Gemini for other AI added functionality. And in the Gallery app, there are additional features that you can use to edit your photos like AI Erase, AI Photo Enhancer, AI Magic Move, AI Reflection Remover, and AI Image Expander that all work really well. So yeah, you've got that part sorted as well. Definitely, I can say that with all of these features, the X Fold 5 is truly a multitasking AI-driven workhorse that you can push to the limits. Okay, conclusion time. There is a lot about this phone, and I've just barely scratched the surface with this video since I've only been using it for a few days. But in my testing, I can safely say that the X Fold 5 from Vivo is the most feature-packed folding phone that I have ever tested out. And if you're looking for a feature-packed folding phone, I think this one will be really good for you guys. See, it's got amazing cameras, it's got great durability, it's got the best battery life, the biggest battery, and the best charging speed I've ever seen in a fold, along with amazing AI features for productivity. So definitely, I feel like this is a phone that you should check out. The X Fold 5 will go on sale from the 30th of July, and the launch price of this phone is 1,49,999 or 1.5 lakhs. And I have to say, at this price, it is again priced below the other foldables that are available in the market, even though this has a better battery, better charging, and most of all, better cameras. So I think if these things are important to you, you can actually end up saving some money and go for the X Fold 5, and you will will definitely not regret it. With that said, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to make a full review after a month of using this phone, definitely let me know in the comment section below. I would love to do that for you guys as well. With that said, this is Anubhav signing out. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, take care, stay safe, and peace out. Bye-bye now.